Hi everyone, I'm Ishani. I'm a product manager at Canonical. And today we are launching an exciting new platform, and we felt that the Ubuntu Summit would be the perfect place to make this announcement. Does this sentence sound familiar? Now, Ubuntu is an ancient African word which means humanity to others, and I am what I am because of who we all are reflects that spirit. Now, um, we are because of our community. Ubuntu is all about collaboration. Every answer in a forum, every line of documentation, every code push, pull, uh, every shared insight, it's what makes us who we are. Now, open source thrives on shared knowledge, and when you're trying to learn some things, it can often be very confusing. You don't know where to begin. So for example, if I'm trying to become a sysadmin, I don't know if I should study file management first or securing files first. And what is really important is that we have some guidance as to how we can piece all of these different sources of knowledge together. It might feel that you're trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle that has 1,000 pieces, and you need to figure out what fits where. Now, what if I told you that open source learning can be guided, accessible, and globally recognized? It is with Canonical Academy. Now, with Canonical Academy, we want to empower individuals and enterprises with comprehensive, industry-recognized qualifications to validate their professional skills. We are launching this new learning platform where you can gain qualifications with us, and we provide you study guides and exam guides so that you can prepare in this journey and get your first Canonical badges. Now, at the heart of Canonical Academy is a job-based qualification model. We specifically use the word qualifications, and it's similar to certifications, but the underlying meaning is the same. You take an exam, and then you get a badge. But we feel qualifications better capture our focus on real-world skills. With these exams, you actually take the tests in a real-world environment, and you'll be solving the problems you'll be solving in that particular job role. Now, you can also take the exams anywhere from the comfort of your home, schools, offices, or universities. And you can learn anytime, anywhere, in any order that you like based on the exam guides that we provide. And then, of course, you can gain recognized credentials. So with Canonical Academy, we want to help the test takers grow, and we are not just providing certifications. Like I said previously, if you take this exam and you pass, you'll feel confident that you can do a particular task and you can actually ace it. And I feel that's very powerful. The exams are updated with every LTS release. We have content that's created and vetted by the publishers of Ubuntu. And we have modular and real-world exams that follow a rigorous industry-recognized exam creation process. And I'll explain a bit more about the last 2 points in the following slides. So the exams are created by experts. There are 6 phases. The first phase is analysis. So what makes a qualified professional? We ask our SMEs that what tasks do you see fit for a particular job role? Then the second phase is design. We ask, how do we validate these job skills? So we form learning objectives in the first phase, and then we ask our SMEs, so do you agree with these objectives? The third is item dev. So this is where we are creating our item prototypes and questions. And we ask, how do we make them realistic? The SMEs give us a score, they give us feedback, and they help us do the error tolerance checks. The fourth phase is form dev. So now, if you were to take one exam twice, you would not get the same questions. And we need to ensure that all the variants are actually accurate and they're consistent. And we do these variants tests with the SMEs as well, so that we can make the exams reliable and secure. The fifth phase is implement, and this is where the beta testers come in. So how do we eliminate bias? If I feel that the passing score should be 70, but the beta testers feel that the average passing score should in fact be 75, then we adjust the score there, and this is where we get that kind of feedback. And also, should the exam be 90 minutes, or should it be 60 minutes or 75 minutes? The last one is when the exams are in general availability, evaluation. How do we make it credible? How do we know that once you've tested and launched everything, people are still liking the exam? So this is where we have item quality metrics, and we have exit surveys. You can fill our exit survey, let us know if you felt the exam was too hard, too difficult, or just right, too long, too short, just right, and then we take that feedback into account and we iterate. So this is what an exam looks like. You'll see that on the left we have different sections that you can navigate through in whatever order you like. When I said it's real world, I meant it, because there are some questions where you actually need to run the commands in order to get the answer, and then you need to select the correct option. And we also have some Easter eggs. So we named two of our VMs as Wordy and Artful after our LTS releases, and it's all running in an Ubuntu VM, as you can see. Then you can also go through specific sections. You can see what questions you flagged, if you viewed and didn't answer, if you saved something, if you have no responses, and then you can go back or you can complete your assessment. And you can see there's a timer as well, which tells you how much time you have to take the exam. So I also said that the exams are modular. And what I meant when I said that was that we have job-based tracks. So the sysadmin track here is a job-based qualification track. And each track has a set of exams. In this case, sysadmin has 4 exams. If you take all 4 of these exams and you pass them, then you get the overarching qualification badge. And you also get individual exam badges. The first exam that we have out right now is the using Linux terminal. We also have the Ubuntu desktop beta coming soon, and the Ubuntu server beta coming in November, followed by the server beta. And we have another exam planned for 2026. Now, I would like to remind you that the beta testing is absolutely free. And if you pass, you get a badge. So it's a great opportunity to earn a badge with us and help us improve the exams. So our vision for the future is to take the circle of friends one step further. We don't just see it as a learning platform, we see it as a movement for making open source mastery universal. We want every Ubuntu and Canonical user to have the skills and confidence to build the future of open infrastructure. So my team is not here with us in London, Adrian Mauricio, but I want to give them a huge shout out because they actually create the exams. But our team is not just limited to us 3. You can, in fact, join our team. You can be an SME. You can help shape the questions. You can be a tester. You can give us feedback on the exam content. And we also have a matrix channel, which is our learning forum. So in this channel, what we want to do is encourage test takers who have passed and who are striving to pass to share resources, tips, or ask questions, share guidance. And all our internal team members are also there. So in case you have any questions specifically for us, you can ask there, and we would be more than happy to answer. So these exams are actually built with the help of the community. We take your feedback, and and you are actually a very important part of how we take this forward. Take an exam with us. Now, everything that I said in the last 6-7 minutes, it's on our website as well. So if you go to canonical.com/academy or scan the QR, you'll find all of this information there, and you can try out your first exam, and when the desktop is out for beta, you can test it out for free as well. Lastly, we also have a giveaway for our online viewers who are watching the summit. So we really build these exams based on feedback, and we want your help in shaping Canonical Academy. If you go to this discourse post, you can tell us what technologies and tracks you would like to see next in the comments, and we'll be picking a few lucky winners who would get free exam keys as giveaways for the Using Linux Terminal exam. And Yeah, and you can let us know how you like it. You can let us know in the Matrix channel or on Discourse. And yes, thank you.